Lickalix, organic and totally free from ice lollies, made with real whole fruit.
Hi guys, I'm Karis from Lickalix. We've got a bit of a crazy recipe for you today. This one is for your animals, for your dogs and for your cats even. So we've chosen to use water, but you could actually use vegetable juice instead. And then we've got our chunky bits of veg. We've chosen carrots and cucumbers. You're going to put in your water halfway through, chuck in your chunky veg, and then top it up with a bit more water. Leave room at the top about 1 centimetre for things to expand so they don't overfill. And then you're going to put your foil or your card on top and place your sticks in place. Try and get the sticks nice and straight and freeze overnight or at least 6 hours. And voila! A nice refreshing treat in the sunshine and summer for your animals. Enjoy and let us know how you get on. Did you like this video? Then follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss another video. See you soon!